वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्ट एंड डाउन स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा आपको पता ही है, हम 60 वर्ड्स मिनट से आपको दे रहे हैं सर जेडी बस बिस्ट से स्पीडोग्राफी। आज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 54। निवेदन है कि ध्यान से लिखिए, ज्वाइनिंग कीजिए, ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिए, ईमानदारी से चेक कीजिए, अपनी गलती ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा निकालिए। तो हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 54, 60 वर्ड्स मिनट। रेडी, स्टार्ट। मैडम डिप्टी चेयरमैन, I wish to draw your attention and through you the attention of the government to a serious news which came out in the press on 18th March in the Calcutta edition of the Economic Times. It says that the Cycle Corporation and the National Bicycle Corporation of India Limited may close down. These two companies have their factories located in West Bengal and in Mumbai. Not only are these two corporations to be closed down, but according to that press report, there are five companies, public sector companies, which are proposed to be closed down. Madam, what is the policy of the government? As we come across from the report, some months ago, about 3 years ago, a group of ministers had decided that it would be necessary to wind up some of the perennially losing public sector enterprises. What is meant by this perennially losing? Since the takeover of the Cycle Corporation of India Limited, the government did not apply its mind to rehabilitate these industries to cure it of its sickness against those who are responsible for its sickness, those who were the private owners. The government did not take any action. Before the nationalization, the Cycle Corporation of India was under the charge of the central government. It was then under the Industrial Reconstruction Corporation of India. For these long years, the government did not take any action. I know workers had entered into an agreement with the company to produce 1000 cycles per day. But in 1975, under the cover of emergency and the terror that was let lose in West Bengal. The trade union was suppressed and an agreement to produce 2000 cycles was clamped on the workers. Some workers had voluntarily retired. Even after 12 years, a decade almost has passed by, but no action has been taken by the government to improve this situation. The workers are faced with losing their jobs. How does the mind of the government act? As we have seen, a part of the company was transferred to Hindustan Cables Limited without entering into any deed of transfer, without entering into any agreement on what the price will be, what the cost will be of that transfer. What I say is that this proposal should be abandoned. The factories proposed to be privatized should be kept in the public sector. Stop.